Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make coleslaw easy. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 small head of green cabbage, 1 medium carrot, and a good quality mayonnaise. Also, have on hand some apple cider vinegar, a bit of sugar, and just a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. These basic components are all you need for a delicious, homemade coleslaw that everyone will love. Next, let's prepare our vegetables for that perfect coleslaw crunch. Begin by finely shredding about 4 cups of fresh green cabbage. You can use a sharp knife, a mandolin, or even a food processor for consistent results. Then, grate 1 medium carrot to add a lovely pop of color and a subtle sweetness. Remember, uniform pieces ensure every bite is balanced and enjoyable. This step is key to achieving that classic coleslaw texture. Now for the star of the show, our creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, whisk together 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Then, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything until it's smooth and well combined. Don't forget to taste it and adjust the seasonings to your liking for that perfect sweet and tangy balance. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. In a large bowl, gently combine your shredded cabbage and carrots with the creamy dressing you just made. Use a spatula to fold everything together until all the vegetables are evenly coated. Once mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate your coleslaw for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully, making it even more delicious and refreshing when served.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.